Guys, a famous YouTuber here, and today we're gonna find out how Endurable is a fidget spinner. Yes, very good. I can't record on my phone because I, uh, I broke it, so you have to record on this camera thingy. I don't fucking know. So we'll try just like we'll try to destroy it like we always do. So yeah. It's like a whole fucking video. This is our fidget spinner. It's 1 billion quadrillion fucking euro. Uh, uh, Nothing. It's you can use it on everything. It has no usage at all. But for some reason, the kids like it. The guy that invented it, I hate him. The first thing we'll try is if the fidget spinner survives a throw at the tree right there. Yeah, so we'll product placement.
Můžu? Ne, hoď to. Hej, tam jak je to oranžový, jo, takový to, jak
Jo.
to tam už není.
Okay, so it survived the first round somehow, and it's still functional. We'll see if the can filled with rocks destroys the spinner. So yeah, there are 5 rocks. So it's very heavy and very dangerous. We should wear fucking gloves. So let's try. This is a phone, as we can see. It's very good. Buy HTC for a very good fucking experience. My fucking hand, it literally fucking hurts. I can't. Okay, I forgot that this thing actually has a usage. It's a secret usage, and it's very good. The first use is that you can use it as a shuriken. You know, you can throw it at people and kill them. Yeah. And the second is that you can make a karambit of it, of course. See? See? Very good, very good. This is the worst idea. Wait. Fuck it. Můžu hodit takhle o ten strom.
Tak teďka byl střih, jo?
Mohl bych to hodit takhle o ten strom.
Jo.
Fidget spinnerem.
Počkej.
In conclusion, what I wanted to say is that don't buy those things. They're just fucking expensive. I know they cost like $4, but you can spend $4 on a fucking Mountain Dew or something. Yeah. So it has no fucking use. There's no use to it.
Why? Why?
Like 8 people from my from the class I go in, 5 or 8 people have this, and they like it for some fucking human reason. I don't know if you want to say that you're fucking autistic. We